Looking for a screen protector that combines durability with crystal clear clarity? The Zagg InvisibleShield HD Ultra is designed to safeguard your device without compromising its display quality. With 3x shatter protection, it guards your screen edge to edge against impacts that could otherwise cause costly damage. What sets this screen protector apart is its self-healing nano memory technology. Minor scratches and dings disappear over time, keeping your screen looking fresh and flawless. This feature extends the life of your device's display, saving you from frequent replacements. Applying the InvisibleShield HD Ultra is surprisingly simple thanks to easy apply tabs. These guides help you align the protector perfectly, reducing the chance of bubbles or misplacement. The yellow sheet you see is just a removable screen protector that comes off during installation, making the process cleaner and more precise. Many users have praised how easy it is to install, even if they were initially skeptical. One customer shared that after watching a quick tutorial and carefully following the instructions, the installation was straightforward. They only encountered 2 small bubbles, which were easily fixed by realigning before fully applying the protector. Unlike glass protectors, the HD Ultra offers a flexible yet tough shield that fits snugly without the fragility of glass. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want strong protection without the risk of shattering their screen protector itself. If you value durability and ease of use, the Zagg InvisibleShield HD Ultra delivers on both. It preserves your device's original HD clarity while providing a tough barrier against everyday wear and tear. Plus, the self-healing feature means your screen stays clearer, longer. Worth a look if you want reliable protection without the hassle. The InvisibleShield HD Ultra offers peace of mind for your device, whether you're at work, home, or on the go. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your screen protection with confidence. Protect your device with a screen protector that's easy to apply, tough on impact, and keeps your screen looking flawless. The Zagg InvisibleShield HD Ultra blends advanced technology with user-friendly design, making it a smart choice for anyone serious about screen care.